In today's video, I'm going to give you a strategy that you can use to make $1,000 per day online. And the strategy that we're going to be talking about is working right now in 2020. And the best part about this strategy is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if you're in India, the Philippines, in Bangladesh, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada, Puerto Rico, United States. It doesn't matter where you're located in this world, you can use this system to make $1,000 per day online. You don't have to worry about it because this system that I'm going to give you only requires you to follow 3 easy steps and you can make money as soon as tomorrow. The system that I'm about to give you will work regardless of your level of experience. And the good thing about this system that I have for you today is that all it really requires is a few sales a month. And you can make 5 figures per month with this system. And you can make it passively. This is a way for you to make passive income. Passive. Hit the like button. It's really going to help me with the YouTube algorithm. In case you're not part of this community, of this channel yet, then you have the option now to subscribe below. So hit that red subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to receive alerts for all future videos. The first step in this process is to get an account on clickbank.com. And the reason why we choose Clickbank and not another affiliate or CPA network is because the good thing about Clickbank is that really anyone can get approved instantly. So let's say you are in India, and it would probably be very difficult for you to get approved on Max Bounty or any other CPA network. With Clickbank, you can go to clickbank.com and register for an account right here. You click on sign up and you're gonna get approved within seconds. All it really takes is just 30 seconds of your time and you can have an account open right now. So you will go to sign up right here, click on sign up and create an account. So you're gonna enter your country, you're gonna enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, and your password. And then you click, and you also check, I have read and agreed to the terms of conditions. So you check this box, you click it, and then continue to terms and conditions. That's all it takes to sign up for an account on Clickbank. Another reason why Clickbank is good. So yeah, it's good because it doesn't matter where you're located, you can get approved right away. But another thing that's really good about Clickbank is the payout. So you can get paid in 3 ways, okay? You can get paid via ACH, so that's direct deposit, or a check, so they're gonna send you a check, okay? Or bank wire. This is step 1, okay? It just takes you like 30 seconds and that's it. And once you're signed up, then you want to go to your account settings and you want to make sure that you add your payment info in there. Now that you have registered for an account on clickbank.com, the next thing you want to do is go to Marketplace and you can see you have all the different categories, right? You have arts, entertainment, you have SC, TV, you have betting systems, business investing, computers, internet. So there's one thing that you really have to understand, and in order for this to work, because we are looking for high payout offers, you wanna generate those high affiliate commissions, right? You wanna generate like $500 or $400 or even $1,000 per sale. So how are you gonna be able to do that? The only way you're gonna be able to do that is by focusing on more expensive products. So, more expensive products are usually in the business and investing category or the e-business and marketing category. So you're not gonna see a weight loss product that costs $1,000. It just doesn't exist, right? So if you wanna get paid $1,000 per day, you wanna make a conversion or 2 a day, then you need to be promoting high ticket products or programs. So let's go to e-business and marketing. And as you can see here, I mean, we have a ton of products, right? And so here you can see the product name and here you can see how much it pays per sale. So this is already good, the 2 48.59, but it's still kind of low, so we want to look for more. And as we scroll down, you can see here are the products that we're really interested in. We have Commission Hero that pays $411 per sale. So if you're able to get 2 sales per day for 30 days, then you're gonna make $24,000 in a single month promoting the Commission Hero product. Now this is great, and I wanna show you a couple things here, okay? So here you see the payout, and here you see the promote button, okay? And here's gonna be your affiliate link. But before you get your affiliate link, right, you actually have to request approval from the vendor, meaning the advertiser, the person who owns the product. Now that's the case for some Clickbank products, but not all of them. For this one it is the case, so you have to click on this link and you're gonna be brought to a page, so you can see here, and as we scroll down, request to be a JV affiliate partner. So you're gonna fill in your Clickbank ID, so that's the ID that you use to register. Put in your first name, last name, your email address, and just tell them how you heard about them. And here comes the important part, right? What traffic source you're gonna be using. So I haven't talked about the traffic source yet, but the traffic source we're gonna be using is a free traffic source. It's gonna cost you literally zero money to produce an ad, and you can get pretty much unlimited reach for the traffic source I'm teaching you in this video. The traffic source is going to be YouTube. I'm going to show you a phenomenal strategy on how you can monetize YouTube and make money, make a lot of money, make $1,000 per day passively by targeting the right keywords. I'm going to show you this in just a bit. So you put in here YouTube, and what are you looking, when are you looking to start promoting? You would just say immediately. And you click submit, and you should hear back from them within a day or 2 max. Now this is just one of the products, right? And you want to also check out more products. You know, you can try these simple Wi-Fi profits. So you would simply go to promote again. If it's already pre-approved, if you're pre-approved, then you will get the link. Here you can see you are pre-approved, so you would just enter your account nickname, your tracking ID, and you generate the link. So once you get the link, okay, this is going to be your affiliate link. It won't look very pretty, but once you get the link, the next thing you want to do is you want to shorten the link with a URL shortener, and then you would do that, and then you would put that link in the video. I'm going to show you how to do this in just a second. And this is really cool stuff. So here you can see how much these programs pay. They pay $411, $530, $449.77. This is how you make big money online. This is how you can make real money in affiliate marketing. And you can't really do that if you're promoting products that only cost $10 because your commission is only $5. And you're gonna need a substantial amount of sales every single day in order to make $1,000 per day. So the easiest way to go about it is by promoting anything on YouTube, the best free traffic source there is, and you can do that relatively easily. So this is great, right? And another cool thing that I want to show you is that you can actually also get free ads, okay? You can get free ads, you can get free creatives, and here's another great affiliate program, the Super Affiliate System. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with John Crestani. He's a great marketer, and you know, he's just phenomenal. He's just phenomenal. Here we can see are the email swipes. So you're going to be using a free traffic source, and let's say you want to build a list, and it's going to be great because you can take his creatives and you can build an email list, and you can get very high conversions because he has an auto webinar funnel which converts very good. Okay, so you could just come here and copy paste. I mean, this is just too easy. It's too easy, guys. It really is. You would just come here and would take a look here at the email swipes. Just scroll down. Here you can just copy paste the title. You can copy paste the emails. I mean, it's just so easy, guys. So this step now is choosing your affiliate product on clickbank.com. I showed you how to do that. I showed you which products you need to choose in order to make a lot of money. I showed you how to apply. I showed you where to get the email copies. You know, it's just copy paste to make $1,000 per day online. And the next step is gonna be the free traffic source, which is YouTube. And I mean, I'm gonna show you how to make money with YouTube as soon as tomorrow. The last thing I want to talk with you about in this video is using a free traffic source that is very familiar to you and something that you probably have thought of in the past. And the good part about using YouTube as your primary traffic source for promoting Clickbank offers is that with YouTube you pay $0 to put up a video. It costs you literally nothing. So it's not like Facebook where you have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a campaign which may or may not make you money. So the good part about YouTube is that it's free, and another good part is that you can really generate a ton of traffic with just one single video. So you don't need to create hundreds or thousands of videos to get volume traffic. Now the way this would work, okay, since we're in the business of industry, since you're promoting make money online products and programs, you have to find keywords that people are searching for. So let me give you an example. So an example would be fastest way to make money from home. And I want to show you something here that will blow your mind. As you can see here, I mean, we have a ton of videos that get hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views. And you can just take a video that is ranking for the keyword that you are looking to create a video on, and you simply emulate the video. So you don't really have to come up with, completely new content. So with any sort of marketing, what usually works best is if you copy paste the ad and you simply say it in your own words. I mean, let's say you put in the effort and you create maybe 10 or 20 videos, and only one of your videos should get, for instance, 10,000 views. And let's be very conservative and say that only 1% of the entire traffic converts. We would go 0.01, that would be 1%. So we have 100 sales and we would make $500 per sale. You would make a staggering $50,000 from one video alone. And that's pretty much how much YouTubers make. So a lot of people think, well, you have to have a channel with hundreds of thousands of subscribers to make a lot of money on YouTube, because the only thing that people can think of is making money from YouTube ads. Promoting Clickbank products using YouTube, it's just so easy. It's so easy to make money. And what you can do is you can include your link in the description here, like this person does. And, you can make money easily. And that's just one way, right? You can also build a list. You can send people to an opt-in page, pick up the email, build a list using Aweber or MailChimp or GetResponse. And then you promote the Clickbank offer in your email campaign. That works as well. So again, this is not a huge time commitment if you just create a couple of videos. And again, it's just really easy. You just take a look at what videos worked. You don't want to reinvent the wheel, like trying to create a video on a completely new angle on something that hasn't been done. It's just a lot easier to just take an existing video that has converted, that has gotten a lot of exposure, and just make it a little bit different, or just make it a little bit longer, or just append a thing or two, and you can really make a lot of money from just one video alone. And that's all it takes. It's just like you create one video and you can make a killing. You can make $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. So like I told you before, you really only need 3 things. And the first thing is you sign up for an account on Clickbank, and it really only takes you like 30 seconds to do so, right? It's like this. You also need to pick some offers. And we did this right now, and you could see that, you can find an offer in a minute or 2. And the third thing you need is to simply find a keyword, and you find a video that you can make better, or that you want to emulate, and that's really all it takes. 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can do this anywhere in the world. If you want to learn the simplest systems that exist, then please comment Easy Make Money Online System below. In case you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like. Also subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you on the next video.